Today is September 17th, Tuesday. Been away from a while, had to do some things, get some things corrected. During that, came across some new ideas, working on my order block theory, look at high time frame PD arrays to project that come out of high time frame daily, weekly, hourly PD arrays. Um, something else you're looking to get in the move, look for these things here. So I need to formalize this. That will be something I'll do this week, preferably today. Um, a bunch of other things here. So this learning P&L is growing larger. We need to shapen this up and possibly complete some of the things here, though some of the things we have here, thinking about just focusing on what I came across here from the experience I had last week. Today, as far as news drivers, we have a 30 news driver coming out um, today, and then that came out already. Then we have a new contract shift coming in. What do you know? We had a five candle run here, dipped down into this fair value gap, and now we're pushing up higher above this volume imbalance. Um, so what I'm going to do here is change the contract, go Z. We'll put Z there, and we'll remove what we have here. So the contract it expires. This contract expires September on the 20th. So uh, we'll have more volatility um, in the December contract. All right, so we're looking good there. Looking good there. So we're gonna lose everything we had here, which is fine. Um, we'll just come back to it. Let's look at set. Let's see if any wider gaps here. So set is off. Set is on. So we'll go with set being off because we have a wider gap here. Okay. All right. So I want to catch the opening bell. Not that it matters, but by the way we're looking, YM took out its highs here. All-time highs in YM. Yes, this is storming on its way up. See this stage one moving its way up. I really don't consider this a stage one. Although it is, we do have a small little market maker model. Sell model on sell side liquidity on the 4 hour. And now we're moving up. And this fair value gap period, pure have been inversed. I do believe we're gonna have a green day today. Come for these relative highs right up here. All right, so buy side here. Sync this globally. And then we also had this projection here on the daily. Moving up here. So kind of pretty high up there, moving into the quote unquote no man's land above here. So it is a possibility. We do have this small little bullish order block right here. Hasn't been confirmed yet. It will be once we close over it officially on today. But look how these projections line up. 1115, right? Lines up with these sides up here. So almost these sides up here. That's quite interesting. 22.5 lines up with 4 standard deviation of this bearish order block or bullish order block right there, which goes into this inefficiency here. All right. So we'll save those. So I'm bullish on the day. I'm bullish on the week. Um, that's my MO. Put that there, and also in expecting price to come up to this high as well. So bullish on the day. Um, to look at our previous day lows and such like that. Let's keep that back on there. Sync that globally. Sync this globally as well. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working, but all right. This is it's not working. I'm not sure what to do. What's causing it? Oh man. So here's the high that we're coming for. Ivy side. This is from Friday the 13th. It looks like we took that out already, but maybe we can close above it, or rather run up above it and find support as we come up for these highs up here. And this is 16th high. Mm, Put these here. and the other high would be here, but pretty convinced we're not gonna go there. I'm not interested in these lows on here whatsoever. Um, though we are in a premium, of this range here, as well as left the premium of here. I don't expect for these lows to be taken anytime soon. But just for the hell of it, this is okay. So yeah, bullish. Still on the week. Not much going on the weekly. Trying to break above these weekly levels here. This is from August 26th. This is a definitely easy target. This is my target right here. And then we do have this nice fair value gap here on the weekly. Put this up here, weekly fair value gap. So the objective today is to be intentional, be in the present moment, and show self-compassion and love. We're gonna train ourselves in that regard. How's that him in here? And go from there. It's about the same size, so we'll go with set off. All right, so back to the daily. So that's what we're looking like on the daily. Uh, I think I might clear my browser cache because I've got some saved charts in the cookies, and that's just annoying. So daily fair value got brought up in here. Definitely come for this swing high right here on this daily um, target, as well as constant crushment of this weekly fair value gap here. So once we get up there, I'll add it. Do have a small little volume imbalance here that we try to close, but weren't successful with doing that. So that's also even more. We'll just add that there. Small little volume imbalance right here that we ran into. See, balance that out. Now we're moving up higher. So set this in here. And yeah, we have some projections that we could take down here to see where we went to. Um, I'm not gonna do that right now. Come back and look at that some other time. Here we are, put him right there. So this is the 4 hour over here. I was just trying to get an idea of whether or not we're bullish or not. I did had a idea that we could come down here into this inefficiency again, although we did come down there to it already, and we also had optical trade entry up here that we just blew through. So I'm pretty bullish. We just inverse this fair value up here, so I do believe we're gonna come up higher, coming for these sides up here. This here, smaller volume imbalance on the 4 hour. Um, not paying too much attention to it. I want to see these sides up here get violated. Anyways, yeah, I had this wake down here. It's where price could come to. All right, so market's open. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. All right, so it's hourly. Coming for these go highs up here, which we kind of swept. We have a bullish for the black right here. Look at this 5 kind of run down. Boom, run up higher. Here we have kind of like a stage one right here. Run up. So we could project this one here, see where we're going with that. All right, so 15. This is all in London. I don't expect that we will come back down in here. London and Asia. Um, I do believe it. One, two, three, four, five kind of run down here. And see, moving up here. Buy side liquidity kind of lines up with that, right? All right, so we're definitely coming for those sides up here and moving up higher. So this was our 8:30 open. So data highs we're taking out. Not sure the data lows will be taken out, but we'll see. You know, we have this here. If we OTE this coming down here, right into this range right here, bullish for the block. Boom, could move up higher. That's a possibility. All right, we'll see. We shall see. So bullish on the day, so we're looking for price to go into discount and to move up higher. So part of the things that we need to do is have an explicit idea of what it is that we're looking for instead of just staring. So it's coming in on a day with the expectation. I want to look at something. What is that thing that you want to look at? It's a volume imbalance. See how to put that set there. That's correct. But this is old. Um, yeah, we can look at the volume here, and we can add this one again. We can add you again. See the volume? 54 compared to 286. Oh, no, 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 no. This is Nasdaq 95 versus 54. Okay, so that's why we're going with this here. So very good call on that. So we can close him up now. All right, so ICT is live. Let's tune in and see what he's talking about. It's kind of like a five kind of run up. Hints on liquidity. Let's see. What we're supposed to do here. See if we can follow these rules accordingly. So I'm gonna take this one here. It's just the highest. on liquidity here. So we could run up, get a market structure shift. See if we can run into this fair value gap here, take a short position. Come down to new week opening gap as a target. These lows down here as a target. 5 candle run. This be the first target here. Small little fair value gap right here that we just tapped into. Can run down OT. I did not see this. But now I do. And the rest fair value gap here. So we did not get answered in. We do have a bearish for the block. For Sunday issues are low of this opening range gap. Let's see. See if we get a breakaway gap. Fair value gap needs to be formed right here for that to happen. So we should be looking for right here is a bullish change in state of delivery. So a black candle being taken over. So all this here is consolidation. Potential area we can look for uh, manipulation. Or it's not ran. This here is supposed to be a little bit higher. It's supposed to be up here. Relative guys up here. Discount. Probably come back up here, take that out. I did say I was bullish. Now I want to be bearish. Told myself I look for a move down into a discount area, which is here, and I don't know. Now it's a different attitude, so I got to be better about that because we came right down the optical trend entry perfectly here. See that? See that? Took these lows out here. Boom. So it's good. In that route, we could very well come down here, which is the lower quadrant of this range here. Oh, this is a new day opening gap. You don't say. You don't say. So now we can do this. This is a 15-second. Why is this on? So this is 4 here, so I'm gonna take that off. Do believe we can go a little bit lower. Um, this here doesn't take this here down here. Got some lows on here. lines up nicely with this 15-minute sell side liquidity here. Most up a little higher. So we took out these lows here, took these out already. And I do believe, let's keep this up on here as well. But out here's a new day opening gap. Uh, More importantly, London lows down here. Or Asia lows down here. Well, no, that's not Asia low. This is, we have London high. Yes, it's Asia low down here. So we have this first run up here, market structure shift here, run up inverse or run up optical trade entry on the one. Now we're going down. So this here, that's it's cool. I want to see this breakaway gap, what has to offer. And kind of in line with what we have here. See how we come down to one, boom, retracement up, two triple fives, hit that, but four lines up with 3.5 and two triple five of this here. Double this is a range on a higher time frame. All right, so we have this high here, here, run up inefficiency, comes up across from this block here. Now we're moving down lower. So we have one, two, three, four, five kind of run, pause. One, two, run up. Yeah, let's see, we have here one, two, three. We just blew through this low here. And this is a new day opening gap or opening range gap here. Comes with encroachment. This is looking like a mess. We are not now in the micro session, but these ranges here, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. 1.1.5, 2.5 is here, and that's of this order block here. So no breakaway gap here. I don't think we're gonna get it. Stage one, stage two. Speed of quarterly shift here. Q4 here. Bear short black here on the five. So no breakaway gap on the 15. We do have this constant encroachment here on this wick. Bullish short black holding, so I want to take this off. Get the opening gap here. And we return to the half gap of this opening range gap. Could get a 5 candle run into this though. So we could think about it. Put this right here. Bare shoulder block here. Let's see. Should be move up just a little bit higher. So 5 count run. We're in. Stage one. Stage two. Possible. I gotta go get some tea. I'll be back. All right, so we would have stopped out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of run up here maybe. But good call out on this. Do the opening gap down here. We came down strong, kind of stage one, stage two. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's that. Oh yeah. Ugh. Got Q4 coming up right here. So we still got external range liquidity here, down to internal range liquidity. Wow, look at that. Look at that. 3.5 of this. Bear shoulder block here, the one. Bear shoulder block here. 2.5. Almost getting out to it. Breakaway gap here. Not really aligned with anything. Get rid of that. Then we also have this fair value gap here where bodies are apparently respecting it so far. So we came right back up into this, whatchamacallit. Now we're accumulating. So we could do some projections on these. going down, see where that goes to. 4. Oh, 'Cause we had SNT divergence here. 5 kind of run up. See, we came right to his retracement level. -1, perfect. So you say you want to take a look at a entry for a to be bullish in discount. Here's your discount. Boom. Terminus, retracement, boom. Stage 1, maybe stage 2. Here's another entry. This here can't do nothing about that. But notice I didn't press the button. It's your model 14. Possible SMTs. So we're not at a higher time frame PD array, anything like that. So therefore, I'm not looking to enter in here. Here we have this here. One, two, three, four. This is kind of inside. So one, two, three, four, five. 478 is up here with this new day opening gap. So we'll see if we can run out there. And we also have this here, this wick. High, low, high, high. I'll be back. Look where we went to. The gap it is open range gap. Optical trade entry in 15 minute. New day opening gap right here. See where we came to. All right. What else? What else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.5. So no real retracements here on the five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. Oh, there it is. Accumulation, manipulation. See this move down here. Five candle run into OTE. Bullish for the block here. Buyers respecting it. 5 minute bullish for the block. Respecting. Fair value gap. Inverse. Buyers respecting. And we're gonna go up higher, I believe. Almost model 14. Almost model 14. So we're coming up into a macro. All right, so boom, here we have here five candle run into optical trade entry, and then boom, fair value gap, breakaway gap, take off. Here on the 15, uh, I was not looking for a five candle run into this, as well as optical trade entry. I was looking for this here, but again, it's just short-lived because it's lower time frame, right? So we run up, come down here, stage one, stage two, boom, and then given that we are in a potential five candle run on the one, you could take this sort of like right before here, and there you go, 225 smart money reversal, fair value gap right into it, inverse that here, and then bam, take it up, and to go along here, you know, over here, 15 points. Um, so here, I thought we had a projection. Not sure why that's there, but taking the order block coming into a optical trade entry, five candle run, last order block. We went to 2245 here, looking for four up here. There you go. One, two, three, four, five. Then boom up. And here we have new day opening gap, high that we just ran into. How many points is this? 225 is right here. It's like at the low. It's a valid target. 60 points. So we have a retracement. Coming to a quarterly shift. All right, I'm not feeling too well. I'm gonna cut the stream off, but really good job picking a direction in the morning. The green to come down to a discount. We had this discount here on the 5 originally. We ended up come down to this 15 here. One, two, three, four, five. So not bad. Um, Probably would have been taken out given that we came to this new day opening gap right here, or first fair value gap went down. But good job with doing your projections here in this consolidation area, knowing that we could run up into a premium optical trade entry where we entered in, and we went right down to this new day opening gap right here. So, which was a 5 candle run into higher time frame OT. Similar to what we have here, 5 candle run into high time frame OT. So it's repeated twice. And then we also had the same thing here on the 15-minute. One, two, not including these. Three, four, five. This one, this rotate close right here. 5 candle run into higher time frame OT. Then we took off. So that's good. That's what we have here. Look for 5 candle run into draw liquidity or retracement, then a fair value gap in opposite direction. Retracement is the same thing as OTE. We have a retracement or fair value gap here and burst fair value gap here. We also have the same thing here. And here we don't have it. We do, but later. Um, but good job. Got to be more evident or more aggressive, or not aggressive, but we have to just look for more of these inverse fair value gaps. All right, so continue to frame your OTE and go from it from there. Like this here, this is this. There's no OTE evident here. Yeah, we went up to this retracement, higher time frame, new day opening gap, pull back to where this fair value gap here, pull back to this fair value gap here. See that holds, doesn't. You can measure from here to here, see where optical trade entry is really quickly. And that's where price is exactly. So this holds, it holds, it doesn't. Anyways, we'll come back and take a look at it later. I need to rest up, not feeling too well, but overall, good job today. Peace.